Here in El Poblado, this is a 2-level penthouse. It's located close to great shopping places. And there's a lot of restaurants right next door here. As you can see, it's well decorated with artwork. Opens up immediately into this large balcony. We'll head on out there, show you the views. City and the mountains beyond. Another perfect Medellin day. Taking to the kitchen. This is a nice big kitchen. It's got a huge amount of cabinet space. Natural daylighting. Granite countertops. It's got this island right here. Very convenient. And it comes fully furnished. Now we're going to take you to the first floor bedrooms. Lots of closet space in this penthouse as well. Here's the first bedroom on the first floor. Lots of sunlight in here. It's got a television. Got a private bathroom in this bedroom as well with a shower. Here's the second bedroom. Just to the right of that, we've got the third bedroom. And they share this bathroom. Shower. Take you upstairs. Look at this very open feeling living room. It's got great energy in here. Turn around and head up the stairs here. As you can see at the top of the stairs, it's looking straight out on the terrazzo. Show you that first. Excellent views. Great sunny space. So you got this indoor balcony looking over the living room. That makes it feel very open and spacious. And above it is the den here. Nice large couch. The flat screen television. And again, more sun coming in. You got sun coming in on this unit from all angles. And the master bedroom is up here. Nice luxurious bed. Also has a television. And has a nice big walk-in closet for all your storage needs with a safe. And private bathroom with a bathtub as well. And you got views right on the terrazzo with a patio door that grants you private access to the terrazzo. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take you down to the pool next.